Welcome back, my friends, to another work from home job lead video. If you're new here, my name is Lindsay and I'm always searching the internet looking for the best work from home job leads available and bringing them straight to you on a daily basis. We will keep today's video very short, sweet, and to the point. The company Zimmer Biomet, they make medical electronic technology equipment. So not only do they make maybe fitness trackers and stuff, they do make some of the medical robotic machinery as well. They are hiring an administrative assistant to work remotely from home. So this is for my United States-based viewers and candidates only. It says they're a global medical technology leader and their team members are part of a company with a heritage of leadership, a focus on shaping the future, and a mission dedicated to alleviating pain and improving the quality of life for people all around the world. So they are looking for someone to provide general administrative support to their executive leadership team. They want someone to manage calendars, manage travel and expense reports, support for several of their senior staff members. You'll prepare correspondence and presentation materials for internal and external audiences and meetings. You will organize and coordinate the in-house and off-site meetings, teleconferences, and video conferences. You'll have communication assistance with newsletters, messaging, proofreading, and all team member mass email notifications, and you'll prioritize and handle all incoming email, faxes, telephone calls, scheduling appointments, and maintaining their Outlook email calendar. Now, they are looking for someone who has a high school diploma, but no college degree is required, and they would like someone who has a minimum of 5 years experience in administrative or related roles, or if you don't have the experience in administrative or related roles, they would like you to have a combination of education and experience. They are looking for someone who can demonstrate the ability to operate independently without supervision. You need to be able to handle stressful situations and handle issues and make quick decisions when issues come up. You need to be able to anticipate the needs of the vice president and follow through as needed. And at times you will be asked to attend meetings alongside the vice president. So when you do, you will need to take meeting notes and manage those meeting agendas. So someone with excellent verbal and written communication skills is needed, and also someone who can demonstrate strong organizational skills and the ability to multitask. Now, it does say it's in very small print down here at the bottom, but it does say compensation is anywhere from $45,000 a year all the way up to $70,000 a year. That is probably dependent on location and experience. The more experience and skills you bring, the higher the pay rate is. If this job lead was not for you, that is okay. I have linked in the description below not only this job lead, but also playlist. You might find a recent job lead that I've posted in those playlists that work for you. Also, it is always welcome in the comments for you to let me know exactly what you are looking for. I always read the comments and keep those in mind when I am searching for job leads. But as always, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. And I'll be back very, very soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.